And that's really kind of where I want to move to next is talking about the heart of it. Children, like they are the reason that we got into the teaching profession. And at the end of the day, it's everything that we've been talking about, the leadership, teacher support, consistency. That's all in service of how children learn, how they explore, how they express themselves. And that's where the real joy lives. So, the question that I have for the three of you is what changes have you seen in children's engagement and their curiosity or outcomes since implementing teaching strategies resources?
One of the benefits of that has been through the studies, how the studies connecting them with the interests of the kids and also those intentional conversation or engagement conversation and the materials that we develop in the classroom bring to the classroom that is attached with the studies. And recently I was on the classroom. I saw they were doing the study of the clothes, and the teachers make also a cardboard washing machine and drying machine to put it on dramatic play. You know how excited was the kids when they are seeing those kind of things, and how we can with those kind of things promote conversations, back and forth exchange that development language on them. And I think that's one of the things most important for the creative curriculum with this digital resources, that because it's a play-based and development appropriate approach to capture children interested to encourage them explore and discover the environment.
I think that's such a great example, Anya. You talked about the environment and how the environment really is such a powerful teaching tool. In early childhood, we call it the silent teacher, right? Like the environment plays such a strong role in educating the children in our classroom. And we know that when a classroom is thoughtfully set up, children just naturally explore and engage. And then when you're tying in different things from the studies, like you gave the great clothing example of building a washer and dryer together. And, we do so much of advocating for early childhood, right? And it's not just play. Like, what are children doing in play? And we can learn math, we can learn literacy, science, social studies, social emotional development skills, language, cognitive skills, all through play. Like, play is the rigor in our early childhood classrooms. And I think you just really illustrated that beautifully. So thank you. What about you, Amanda? I'm gonna pass it to you. What changes have you seen in children's engagement and their curiosity or even outcomes?
So at our preschool, we're blessed to have an acre. We have chickens, we have gardens, we have a mud kitchen, we have all kinds of amazing hands on opportunities. And it's really cool to see. It's really fun to see the kids really be able to tangibly understand some of the units and some of the inquiries that creative curriculum goes through. So if we're doing trees or we're doing water, we are outside. We're doing those actual units outside, those lessons outside, where the kids can really be a part of it and learn directly from the units. Going into our mud kitchen or walking through the orchard that we have at the back of the preschool, or learning about harvesting and being able to see that first, right in front of them. So it's really cool to see the joy and the understanding and the questions and the inquiry that come. And we're able to build even more off of, just like Anya and Myra, we get to build off of it. It's not the end all be all. You don't have to do exactly as it says. It really is a tool, and you get to build off of it and build off of those kids' interests. So it's been really cool to see the teachers be able to have that freedom of expression while still feeling grounded and like they know what to do every step of the day, but also have that confidence to be able to make some of those calls and align with the kids' interests.
As you were describing that, I could picture the excitement in those
Oh
moments.
my
Like
gosh, they
we
love it.
study, and I can, just I'm seeing trees. I can really, when you think about the multimodality approach to learning and experience being hands-on for children, like what better way to explore trees than being outdoors? So,
Yeah.
yeah, and when children are exploring, when they're experimenting, and when they're connecting what they're learning to the world around them, like that is the most impactful learning at any age, right? But
Yeah.
especially early childhood. So, thank you so much for sharing.